Hello to all. It's that time of year again when we fill our bellies with special tricks and treats. But before we can do that, we have to make sure we're safe. So I'm going to share some tips to keep you safe for this Halloween. Go trick-or-treating with an adult and not alone. Always check candy before you eat. Enter only the homes of friends and families with an adult. Carry a flashlight with you for safety. Be careful when crossing the street. Keep costumes and wigs away from candles. And remember to always have fun and say thank you. Well, that concludes all of the safety trips for this Halloween. You stay safe and fill your bellies full. Bye-bye.